Flutter App Development Course Free Without Coding. Episode 1 Introduction. Build Flutter Apps Using GPT Without Coding. Welcome to the first episode of our course Flutter App Dev Using GPT Without Effort. Create your apps. We'll be using ChatGPT to generate Flutter code automatically. All you need is your idea and a few smart prompts. What you'll learn in this course. By the end of this course, you'll be able to build mobile apps like a to-do list app, weather app, multi-screen navigation, Firebase integration. What is Flutter? Flutter is a framework by Google to build beautiful mobile apps using a single code base. One code works on both Android and iOS. What is GPT and how will we use it? GPT is an AI developed by OpenAI that can write code, solve problems and assist in app development. We'll be using it like our personal app assistant. Tools you'll need: Flutter SDK. The Flutter SDK, Software Development Kit, is a framework developed by Google for building cross-platform mobile applications. VS Code or Android Studio. Android Studio is the official integrated development environment, IDE, for developing Android apps. ChatGPT, we'll use the website. ChatGPT is a large language model LLM created by OpenAI that is designed to engage in human-like conversations and generate text. A phone emulator or your real Android device for testing. Preview of what we'll build: Gymrots, LifeQuest, Get All, Steps Counter. Gymrots, LifeQuest, Get All, Step Counter. What makes this course different? This course isn't about memorizing Flutter code, it's about understanding how to talk to GPT so it gives you ready-made, working Flutter apps. Learn to think like a developer without coding. Your goal by the end of this series: describe your app in plain English. Generate Flutter code using GPT. Edit, test, and publish your app. Launch on Play Store, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell, because in the next video we'll install everything and run your first Flutter app.